how to delete a default email account from your Outlook, or how you can delete the primary email ID from your Outlook. Okay, so if you want to delete your primary email ID from Outlook, you can there is a 2-3 methods that I'm going to show you, so you can use as per your requirement. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so first method, you can delete your Outlook primary email account or default email account without opening your Outlook app. So what is the process? Go to the control panel here, click on the control panel, and go to the view by category and go to the small icon, and here you can see the option called Mail Microsoft Outlook. Okay, so you have to open this option, or if you don't find option here, just search, go to the search bar and type the mail, and this option will come. Just click on open it. So here, if you want to change the or delete your by default email ID from Outlook, so you can change from here. So this is mail setup of Outlook. So here, go to the email account, and here you can see your all email accounts. So this is my default email account, so I can remove from here. If I remove it, it will be switched to another email account. Okay, so you can make another email account as a default, then remove your another account. Okay, so you can remove from here. Just click on yes, it will be removed. This is the first method. And second method, you simply go to the Outlook, go to the file, click on the account setting. Under the account setting, click the account setting again, and now you can see the email ID tab. Under the email ID tab, you can see the 3 email account which I have. Maybe you have more than one or one email ID. So now if you want to delete default account, just click on and remove it. So remove this account, it often catches a content the delete. Learn how to make backup the offline. Okay, so just click on remove and just click on yes, it will be removed. So your by default account will be changed, or you can change manually. Just select and change them by default. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.